My name is Janaya. I'm 26 years old. Yes, I'm white. See, I'm African American, kinda. But like my father's white, so like I'm kinda white. I like to be called Chicken Baby because I like chicken, and you won't even believe it. Because some people be saying white people don't even eat chicken, but I eat chicken. Like, I'm tough, some chicken like Rufus, though. Girls, I know the trick. Oh, yeah, I know the trick. Girl, no, I don't know. Yes, I know the trick. I'm trying to do my hair. Let me put this back there. Yeah, I'm so gonna see. I'm so gonna see more. It's smoky up here. Yeah, alright, hold on. Let me light it up again. Let me light it up. It's ill. I'm done. Let me put this out again. Oh, somebody calling me. He's probably my boo. I don't know not about him, but he's handsome. Hello. Hey. What? Well, I have. Can I have a baby? I just want this teeny head on it. Did you hear me? Yes. Okay, bye. See you. Just had to play that off for him. I need to take my ass off. Yeah, I need.
Where's your confidence? It's just until you find out where it belongs.
How long has she been out there?
6 years.
I need to take my ass. Let me do my hair though. Yes, I need to curl my hair like. Don't play with me. You will get burned. Don't play with me.
Why are you paddling?
Oh, yeah. Jam and more fun with half the sugar of leading regular sodas. Kool-Aid Jammers.
My hair a little free though. Like, look at it. 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 Look. It is pretty, like, yes. I'm gonna sleep before I could. Jabara.
For understanding.
Hello. Yeah, this is Jamari. I know you love me. I know you care. Shower at I'll be there. Who called me? Look, it's the phone now. Y'all like my list too?
Do something with your hair.
Y'all like my eyelashes?
Or just
Yeah, eyebrows.
link in my signature. It's okay. It's just a hairline fracture. Did I hear we're taking more photos? Yay! Uh-oh. Guess we'll have to wait till after the solar eclipse. Whoa. You're like a
Hello.
wizard, man.
Yeah, it's me, John Arya.
Maybe you should wear these for the picture, Lenny. They make you look
My name's
even
Samaya.
smarter than you already are. Wow, thanks. I'm alright. I landed on Lisa. Okay, now it's a break. Okay,
Alright.
stay here. But here's some ice packs and a bandage. Okay, throw them. Okay, guys, time to take a new picture.
Hello.
In the way. You ready, Lynn? Let's go. Now stay.
Hold on, let me finish putting my makeup on now. Alright, bye. Hello.
Use it.
My name's Shakisha.
Okay.
Y'all know this. Y'all know this tip. Give me a P. Give me an E. Give me a T. T. Y. I'm petty. My name's Shakisha. Yeah, and I'm the best. Yeah, you know, I'm petty. But I like this. There's a
Okay, Lucy, I'm gonna need you to smile. I can't see that.
It's like this. You ready? Set. And go. P. E. T. T. Y. I'm petty all the time. My name's Shakisha. Yeah, and I'm the best. Yeah, you know I like to. Yeah, this tastes a mess. You know I can dance. Yeah, you know I'm supposed to. Yeah, when Kiki come around and break it down. P. E. T. 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 Y. P. E. T. 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 Y. P. E. T. 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 Y. P. Yeah, yeah, petty. P. E. T. T. Y. P.
What this is all about.
To the
You
T.
don't like
T.
us the way we
Y.
are.
P.
Well, you
E.
see,
To the T. T. Y. I'm petty. Yeah, I'm petty. My name's Shakisha, yeah, you know I'm petty, I like to start some bad, you don't want to get down, yeah, you don't want to post up, yeah, when Kiki come around, break it down now,